Hey everyone, my name is Ryan Elwert and I'm the leader of sales here at GP Pro. I'd like to personally congratulate you on your new role as a distributor sales rep. We realize that it can be overwhelming as a new DSR with the amount of products you have to sell. And because of that, we want you to know what's in it for you when you partner with us here at GP Pro. There are several things. Let's start with our product portfolio. Our market-leading brands like Enmotion, Compact, and Dixie are recognized across all segments and carry a high percentage of customer satisfaction ratings. GP Pro can provide you with solutions for virtually any and all business types and usage areas, from Class A office restrooms and break rooms, to food prep and dining spaces, to systems that save in healthcare, airports, education, and government facilities. GP Pro systems also offer your customers a coordinated family of dispensers throughout their facilities, backed by one manufacturer with one installation and one dispenser key to service them all. But at GP Pro, we don't just stop with innovative products. You need knowledge, user-friendly training, and after-sales support programs to not only back you up, but to give you maximum time to sell. Your first line of support comes from your Georgia-Pacific sales professional, who will be dedicated to helping you be even more successful. No matter what type of business you're targeting, go ahead and leverage our expertise. It will help you to be more confident in your recommendations. Schedule some end-user calls with your Georgia-Pacific sales professional. We assure you that the ride withs will be more instructive and well worth your time. In addition to our frontline sales professionals, GP Pro offers GP Express, our full-service, user-friendly sales support website and mobile app. Here, you'll have access to tools and resources, such as product catalogs, sales collateral, and training videos. You can even chat live with a GP Express agent. Because we value our relationships with our distributor partners, we have programs in place that are designed to help you grow your business and compete in the marketplace. Please contact your Georgia-Pacific sales professional for more information about the distributor programs we offer. We wish you great success as a distributor sales professional. Check out our GP Pro Onboarding Program. It's self-paced and designed to help maximize your selling efforts with GP Pro. Good luck, great selling, and let's have some fun out there.